Moving on to specification number 2, which states, understand the terms cell, tissue, organ system, and organism, as illustrated by examples in the syllabus. Here we can see a diagram, which illustrates the hierarchical structure of living organisms, starting from cells and progressing to the complete organism. At the foundation are cells, the basic units of life. These cells group together to form tissues that carry out specific functions. Multiple tissues then combine to form organs, which work together within organ systems, such as the circulatory or digestive systems. Ultimately, these systems come together to form the organism, with each level of organization building upon the previous one. Just to recap, the term cell is defined as the basic unit of life that makes up all living organisms. This definition emphasizes that cells are the fundamental building blocks, capable of carrying out essential functions like growth, reproduction, and responding to stimuli. As we've discussed, cells become specialized and vary in structure and function. In this video, we will explore key examples of specialized cells, as outlined in your textbooks and syllabus. The first example is ciliated cells. Ciliated cells, found in the lining of the nose and trachea, are specialized for their role in the respiratory system. They have hair-like cilia that move in a wave-like motion, creating a current that moves mucus along the cell surface. This action helps clear mucus, which traps dust, bacteria, and other particles, preventing them from reaching the lungs. The cilia transport the mucus-filled debris through the trachea and bronchi, expelling it or swallowing it to protect the lungs from infection and irritation. Root hair cells are specialized, unicellular cells located just behind the root tips, extending from the epidermis. They have thin cell walls that allow easy movement of water and minerals and long, hair-like projections that increase surface area for absorption. Inside, a large vacuole containing a salt and sugar solution creates a concentration gradient, aiding water uptake through osmosis. The cell's shape and projections maximize contact with soil particles, enhancing absorption efficiency, while the selectively permeable membrane controls substance entry. Their primary function is to absorb water and minerals, vital for plant growth and nutrition. Palisade mesophyll cells are specialized, elongated cells located just beneath the epidermis of plant leaves. Packed tightly with chloroplasts, they are designed to maximize light absorption for photosynthesis. Their main function is to convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into glucose, providing the plant with food. The cell structure, with its column shape and high chloroplast content, optimizes the efficiency of this process, making palisade mesophyll cells vital for plant growth and survival. Nerve cells, or neurons, are specialized for conducting electrical impulses to and from the brain and spinal cord, enabling communication throughout the body. They transmit signals that allow us to sense, think, move, and perform vital functions. Neurons have long fibers, including axons and dendrites, that connect the body to the central nervous system, such as linking the brain to the foot. Impulses are transmitted along these fibers through chemical reactions, with neurotransmitters acting as messengers between neurons. This unique structure allows neurons to communicate over long distances, playing a crucial role in the nervous system. Sperm cells are male reproductive cells specialized for fertilization. The oval head contains the nucleus with genetic material, DNA, while the acrosome at the tip releases enzymes to help the sperm penetrate the egg. The tail, flagellum, moves in a whip-like motion, propelling the sperm toward the egg. Sperm's primary function is reproduction, and their structure, head, acrosome, and tail, ensures successful fertilization, playing a vital role in life continuation. Egg cells are large, round cells with a cytoplasm rich in yolk droplets containing proteins and fats that nourish the developing embryo. The nucleus holds genetic material, DNA, passed on to offspring. Their main function is reproduction, as they are designed to be fertilized by sperm, initiating fertilization. The large size and nutrient-filled cytoplasm are adapted to support embryo development, playing a key role in life's continuation. Last but not the least, red blood cells are specialized for transporting oxygen throughout the body. They lack a nucleus, allowing more space for hemoglobin, the protein that binds oxygen. Their biconcave shape increases surface area for efficient oxygen diffusion and enables them to pass through narrow blood vessels. Filled with hemoglobin, they carry oxygen from the lungs to tissues and return carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Their flexibility allows them to squeeze through capillaries, ensuring oxygen reaches all parts of the body. This unique structure and function are vital for maintaining the body's oxygen supply.